Okay, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. We are doing a recording early in the morning. There's so many people talking here. But then we are doing a recording here, and then this is gonna be broadcast on over the news, ABC, CBS and stuff. So we're gonna do a recording, and then just you guys can watch behind the scenes what's going on all this production. Okay, let's go. Come on. Hello, my name is Rudy Kusuma, and I want to thank you for contacting our home selling team, where I guarantee to sell your home at a price and time frame you agree to, or I'll buy it myself. I have some very important news to share with you over the next 3 minutes that could mean the difference between making more or less money when selling your home in today's market. Last year, half the homes listed for sale did not sell with a real estate agent who originally listed the property. In fact, according to the industry studies, 72% of home sellers say they will not go back to do business with the same agent again. Don't risk making the wrong choices in pricing, marketing, or in choosing a real estate agent. Don't risk losing both time and money on one of life's most important investments, your home. We successfully help homeowners like you sell their homes fast for top dollars with the least amount of hassle. Now, many real estate agents will tell you the same thing, but we back up our claims with statistics, customer success stories, and written guarantees. Along with our exclusive home sellers guarantee, our unique VIP sellers benefit system will give you superior results through our unique team approach. Unlike the typical real estate agents, we do not work alone. You have a team of professionals working for you. Every I is dotted, every T is crossed. Our exclusive consumer programs, they are proven to create more demand for your home, can lead to a higher sale price. Our leading edge technology. Our team launches 16 key marketing systems to sell your home as soon as we list it for sale. Our specialized knowledge. When you are selling a home, there are many small but important issues that you may be unaware of that are nevertheless critical to get it right. Residential real estate is not an uncomplicated process. Based on most recent surveys, the single biggest issues on a home seller's mind is how to achieve the highest sales price within their time frame and with the least hassles. Yet, many homeowners in today's market feel disadvantaged and ill-equipped to achieve this goal. Now, we also have the buyers. We spend hundreds of thousands of marketing dollars every month attracting buyers for the properties we sell. We pre-qualify buyers so we know with confidence what they're looking for in a home and what they can afford. We don't waste your time showing your home to buyers who would otherwise not be in a position to buy. These buyers are ready to purchase, so it's critical that we get together to find out more about your home to see if it's a fit for one of our many home buyers. There is no cost or obligation. Your home may already be sold. Finally, there is a difference in real estate agents, the services they provide, and the results they get. Industry research shows that we are more educated marketers, more experienced negotiators, and get better results than over 98.7% of all real estate agents in the country. And our clients' experience and our impressive track record will prove that my team can make the difference for you, to get you more money in your pocket when selling your home in less time with less hassle. To discover how to get the price that you want when selling in today's market, contact us today. We look forward to presenting our VIP sellers benefit system to you. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it. To discuss the sale of your home, call me direct at 626-789-0159 and start packing. Yes, thank you.
Okay.
That's good?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's it, guys. So now we are going to the class. We are finished with this, so let's take it out. Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah.
See you again. Okay, so now that we finished with the recording, And we're gonna go to the next session here, networking, masterminding, coaching, teaching other real estate agents. We gotta always be on the leading edge of technology, and we leverage the technology, kind of like what you see here with the video. We leverage technology, we leverage the media, the radio, the television, to send the messages out there to attract more buyers into our database, right? And yes, we spend over $200,000 a month just between the radio, billboards, newspaper, marketing. It sounds high, right? But yes, believe it or not, just between the billboards is $40,000 a month on billboard. On Zillow, it's about $40,000 a month on Zillow. Radio, we are on 6 different channels on radio. The reason we are doing all of that is to attract more buyers. We have about 30,000 buyers in our database who's looking to buy homes. But we need to leverage equipments like this, the media, the video, the technology, to send the message out there so the consumers know, hey, because the perception, the homeowner's perception is that all real estate agents the same, right? So there is no use. We have over 30,000 buyers now in waiting looking to buy homes. And so if you're looking to buy homes, hey, this is it. Call 626-789-0159 and we'll see one of these videos somewhere. It's gonna be produced by super awesome. I've been working with this team here over the past 6 years. Every year we are producing this kind of high content video, and then this video, after we finish with this, we submit it to television news, right? We are on the ABC, the CBN, then we use that media channel to send the message out there. Okay, let's go continue with the agenda. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Are you thinking of selling your home? This is John Cobelt with important facts for home sellers. Why waste time with an ordinary agent? Call my friend and agent, Rudy Kusuma. Rudy may already have a buyer for your home. Rudy has thousands of qualified buyers in his exclusive Buyers in Waiting program. The fact is, Rudy Kusuma has more buyers, which means more money and a faster sale for you. Call the only one I would trust to sell my home. Call Rudy now at 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-RUDY-SELLS, or RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com.